Hey there, WordPress enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every WordPress website owner out there: security. Specifically, we're going to talk about the importance of having a WordPress security checklist. Whether you're running a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or a business website, security should be at the top of your priority list. WordPress is an amazing platform, but like anything on the internet, it's susceptible to various security threats. That's where having a solid security checklist comes into play. First things first, let's talk about the risks. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet, making it a prime target for hackers and malicious attacks. From brute force attacks to malware injections, the threats are real and can have devastating consequences. These threats can result in data breaches, loss of sensitive information, damage to your website's reputation, and even loss of revenue. But don't worry, by following a security checklist, you can significantly reduce the risk of such attacks. Creating your security checklist. So, what should be on your WordPress security checklist? Let's break it down. Keep WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to the latest versions. Developers frequently release updates that address security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Failing to update leaves your site vulnerable to exploitation. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, 2FA. Ensure you and your users use strong, unique passwords. Consider implementing two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This way, even if a password is compromised, access to your site remains protected. Install a WordPress security plugin. Install a reputable WordPress security plugin like WordFence, Securi, or iThemes Security. These plugins offer features such as firewall protection, malware scanning, and login security, helping to fortify your website against attacks. Regular backups. Regularly backup your WordPress website and database. In the event of a security breach or data loss, backups ensure you can quickly restore your site to a previous, secure state. Limit login attempts and secure file permissions. Limit the number of login attempts to prevent brute force attacks. Also, ensure file permissions are set correctly to restrict access to sensitive files and directories. Implement SSL encryption. Secure your website with SSL encryption. This encrypts data transmitted between your website and visitors' browsers, protecting sensitive information such as login credentials and payment details. Monitor website activity. Regularly monitor your website's activity for any suspicious behavior. This can help you detect and mitigate security threats before they escalate. Why it matters. Now that we've covered the essentials of a WordPress security checklist, you might be wondering why it matters so much. Well, aside from protecting your website and its visitors, a secure website instills trust and confidence. When visitors see that your site is secure and takes their privacy seriously, they're more likely to engage with your content, make purchases, and return in the future. On the flip side, a hacked website can damage your reputation and drive users away. Moreover, many businesses rely on their websites for revenue generation. A security breach can lead to downtime, loss of sales, and damage to your brand's reputation. Investing in security measures now can save you a lot of headaches down the road. So, there you have it, the importance of having a WordPress security checklist. By implementing these security measures, you can safeguard your website against a wide range of threats and ensure a smooth, secure online experience for you and your visitors. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any additional security tips you have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy WordPressing!